Hi, welcome to Dawlish. I'm not staying in Dawlish. You're right, I'm going to Shaldon, catching a little train journey, about 4 minutes down the line to Teignmouth. And then from Teignmouth, I'm going to catch the ferry over to Shaldon. So I'll take you on the ferry and have a look at the beautiful fishing village of Shaldon. Just while I'm in Dawlish though, let me just tell you, I made a video here this morning. I came here for sunrise. It was absolutely glorious. So I've made a video, going to be putting that together later on this evening. So that should be published before this video. So if you want to see the Dawlish sunrise, do look out for that. It should be published by now. So here I am at the back beach here in Teignmouth. Had a lovely 4-minute train ride over from Dawlish to Teignmouth, and a nice walk through the town centre here in Teignmouth as well. There's some lovely shops, and there's also a farmer's market on today, which was very nice. I think that's each Saturday in the Triangle in Teignmouth. So yeah, I'm at this back beach. It's a lovely place to come here, especially in the evenings during the summer to watch the sunset. I'll try and drop some footage of that in here. Really beautiful place. So yeah, today I'm going to cross across to Shaldon on the ferry. The beautiful fishing village of Shaldon. Been there before, but only for a very short time because the ferry was due back. But I am going to go for a bit longer today and hopefully enjoy some lunch over there as well. So join me on the ferry. It's the oldest passenger ferry in England, I believe, or one of the oldest. I think it dates back to the 1200s. So it's worth noting that during the winter particularly, this ferry is subject to weather conditions, whether it runs or not, and also it doesn't run on a Monday or a Tuesday. And also it's cash only as well. I'll show you the fares now, and I'll show you the timings as they were on January the 25th, 2024, just to give you an idea. Here comes the ferry. Look, it's so tinchy. Little black boat with some white decoration on it. The dog's having great fun down there. So let's just spend a few minutes exploring this lovely fishing village of Shaldon. It's quite new to me as well. I've only spent less than an hour here before, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to exploring it with you. A few things to look out for. We've got the Ness Tunnel Beach and Southwest Coast Path in that direction, Tourist Information Centre, toilets, public footpath, ferry to Teignmouth down there, and then the Botanical Garden. So we're going to explore those things and anything else we come across as well. It's a nice ferry shelter here. As there's a sign for it, I think the first place we'll go is the Botanical Gardens. I'm going to cross over the road here. Just climbing up a bit of a slope, but it's got lovely views out over to Teignmouth. Don't know if you can see in the distance Teignmouth Pier. I'll try and zoom in a bit more. There we go, Teignmouth Pier in the distance over there. Homeyards Botanical Garden. Homeyards Botanical Gardens were created by Maria Letitia Kemp Homeyard during the 1920s. Her husband William had made a fortune as inventor of Liquifruta, positive in its results in the treatment of bronchitis, asthma, catarrh and whooping cough. They lived at Ness Cottage at the eastern end of the gardens. As well as designing the gardens, 54 distinctive houses were built on the surrounding fields, transforming the small fishing village of Shaldon. Following Mrs. Homeyard's death in 1944, the future of the gardens remained unresolved until they were sold to Teignmouth Town Council for a nominal sum, and they were opened to the public in 1955. Oh, this is so beautiful, the birds singing. It's quite steep if you're thinking about coming here. It looks like some sort of insect house there. The castle is built of Torbay limestone, and Mrs. Homeyard entertained her friends for tea and bridge in this summer house. Love this. So colourful, isn't it? It was built to celebrate the centenary of the Homeyards Botanical Gardens in 2022. Absolutely stunning. So I'm just standing in front of the castle and just wonderful views out to the River Teign. Oh, it's so lovely up here. It feels so super spring-like with the birds singing. But really, it's just a taste of what's coming. I'm really looking forward to the spring days. Oh, this is good. They've got tree trails. Let's have a look. Oh, wonderful. It's got history of Homeyards. Things to look out for, quizzes. This is really, really good. It's all for free as well. Great thing to do here in Shaldon. Wow, some really old steps here. The memorial garden is here through the seasons. In summer there's a bed of roses. We remember the nurses as we sit in the shade, watching people go by, and our sad memories fade. This was about the nurses at war. This is the Witch's Cave, and it's a stone grotto, reputed to be where old Mother Gun comes from. She comes down from the woods at dusk to take tea in her cave. I think just ahead of us there is the Italianate Gardens. Let's go and have a look. Got myself a nice Cornish pasty from the Shaldon bakery. They also had cheese and onion ones and also cauliflower and chickpea ones, which sounded very nice. I've gone for a traditional Cornish pasty. You can see some smoke behind me and I can hear lots of sirens. There seems to be some sort of fire. Not sure what that's all about. Anyway, I'm on the beach now, the beach where the ferry comes in, and I am going to head towards the tunnel beach, the Ness Tunnel Beach. I believe it's accessed only through a tunnel, a Smugglers tunnel. So I think there's about 86 steps when I get there. Never been there before, so really looking forward to seeing that. While I walk there, just let me show you a few scenes of the village that I've recorded while I've been walking through the village after I bought my pasty. This is really good, very tasty. Recommend the Cornish pasty. Lovely views across to Teignmouth Pier there, in Teignmouth. There's a Ness bar and restaurant. It's Hall and Woodhouse place. Looks gorgeous. I have to go in there one day. It'd be lovely, especially in the summer, overlooking this. Look at this. It's just beautiful. Fantastic views from there. Got loads of picnic benches over the road. Again, with fantastic views. So there's a car park there. And tourist information. And a gorgeous thatched building. So the entrance to the Ness Cove beach through the tunnel is just 50 yards away by the toilets. There's Shaldon Wildlife Trust and the Shaldon Zoo just there. It's right by the car park. I have a feeling I was taken to that zoo as a child when we came to stay in this area with my grandparents. Ness Farmhouse. Got a gorgeous pond here with a fountain. Water feature. Got a defibrillator over there. Gorgeous seating area and a well. And that looks down to the Ness and down to the River Teign and across to Teignmouth. Okay, so looking down in this direction with the car park there. Got the pink thatched cottage there. I believe that the entrance to the beach is just down here. Okay, so there's the toilets, and I believe that the beach entrance to the tunnels is just down here. Okay, so this is the road where I saw that defibrillator and the well, and then it's literally just down this way. There we go. There's lights ahead, and that is the tunnel. Okay, just for you to get your bearings. There's the toilets, and there's the tunnel. This lime kiln is one of a number existing in and around the Teignmouth area. Kilns of this type were employed from early times for burning limestone rock to produce lime needed for building and agriculture. The rock for burning in this kiln was probably brought by sea from the limestone cliffs at Botanical in Torquay, probably in the 18th to 19th century. So let's take a walk down this spooky tunnel down to the Ness Cove beach. The true history of the Smugglers Tunnel in Shaldon is somewhat unknown. Nobody's absolutely sure how long ago this tunnel was dug through the cliff face, but it's widely believed that it was originally created by smugglers as an access route from the hidden beach. Anchoring their ships out to sea, they would row in with their contraband and make their way through the tunnel in order to avoid the heavy fees imposed at official ports. Oh wow, look at this, this is gorgeous. That tunnel was funny. People were having fun in there, being very loud. Look at these views though. Beautiful. I'm going to sit on this beach for a bit and watch the sea. Got to charge the phone again, so it's a perfect spot to sit and have a drink. I bought some lemonade with me and watch the sea, let the phone charge and just chill for a bit really. Oh, it's just been absolutely lovely sitting here, probably for about 20 minutes, half an hour, watching the waves crash in. Am I going to get wet? Or let me just go up here a little bit. It's been so lovely chilling on the beach. But I need to head back through the tunnels now, climb all those steps back through the tunnels and head back to the ferry beach, because the last ferry of the day leaves at about 20 to 4 and it's currently 20 to 3. So yeah, I'm going to head back that way. I think the last ferry times change depending on the tides and things like that, but today it's a 20 to 4. So let's head that way, back through the tunnels. It's quite a lot of steps. I think there's about 86 steps, somebody said. Just got myself an Americano from the Strand Cafe, sitting in their garden here overlooking the beach. How perfect, it's just gorgeous here. And it's not cold either, even though it's January. So I've had such a lovely day wandering around Shaldon up to the Botanical Gardens, having a look at all the little independent shops in the village, having a Cornish pasty from Shaldon Bakery, and then heading through to the Smugglers Tunnel and Smugglers Beach, the Cove, Ness Cove Beach. Absolutely gorgeous. I can thoroughly recommend this place. It's just really peaceful as well. Really, really lovely. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. There's loads more videos on my channel if you've enjoyed this one. There's others like it as well. Do have a look through all my playlists. And you should find something else. I've got over 100 videos, over 200 actually videos now, so it's bound to be something you'll enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe as well, and YouTube will tell you when I make new content from all around the southwest of England. I shall see you very soon. Don't forget about Facebook and Instagram as well. You can find me there for additional southwest England content. Bye for now.